While the wait for the monsoon is getting longer as a relentless heat wave grips large parts of India, the southwest monsoon appears to have hit a pause button after its onset on June 4th. And weather experts say that there is no single reason behind this slowdown. Instead, it is the result of several weather systems interacting at the same time. Pacific disturbances, western disturbances, weak low pressure formation, and the early signs of an emerging El Nino are all believed to be playing a part. The first week of June brought widespread rainfall. Kerala, southern Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep and much of the northeast received good showers. In fact, South India recorded an 8% rainfall surplus until June 10th. But that momentum did not last. The initial burst of rain weakened and the monsoon's progress slowed sharply. While much of India continues to swelter under heatwave conditions, Kashmir is telling a very different weather story. The valley has been witnessing frequent spells of rain, thunderstorms, hail, lightning and strong winds. The Meteorological Department has said the rain is expected across Kashmir until June 22nd, with light showers likely to continue through June 25th. Special advisors have also been issued for Shikara operators on the famous Dal Lake, asking them to suspend services during storms and strong winds. The cool conditions have been unusually persistent, so much so that many residents have pulled out their woolens once again, a rare sight in the middle of June.
While the whole country is reeling under severe heatwave conditions, the temperatures across Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have abruptly dipped. It's been raining since early morning today, and the Met Department says that the weather is going to be wet for the next 4 days. There are chances of hailstorms and gusty winds predicted as well. The Met Department has also advised the farmers not to use any spray during the day. They've prescribed them to do the spraying during the early morning hours due to the wet weather. On the other hand, if we talk about the next 4 days, the Met Department also says there are chances of hailstorms as well as flash floods in several parts of the Kashmir Valley, which also includes the northern part of Kashmir. The higher reaches in the Ladakh region recently also witnessed snowfall during the month of June. And now Met Department says more rains for the next 4 days across Kashmir Valley. With video journalist Feroz Idris Sloan for WION World is One.